You know that on Etsy, t-shirt sales, it sell like crazy. Okay, we have a lot of t-shirt sales going on, and as you can see here from the sales, 291 sales a month. Could you believe that? 291 sales. And look at how simple this is. You see, right? And then you have another one here. This is lovely, 158 sales, and this was only visible for 3 months. Okay, this one is 19 months. Okay, there were 3 months here. So in this video, I will show you how you can create your own t-shirt designs quickly and simply. I will show you how you can quickly create a lovely design, right? Just using my sticker generator prompt. And you can easily find that in the description below if you like it, okay? So we do have different options here, but I would like to insert a quote, okay? But I'm not sure what quote I would like to use, so I will just go into library and see what it has here. Okay, so I don't like what it have here. Oh, we have Idea Bank. So the Idea Bank will give us something to work with. Working smarter, not harder, thanks AI. Okay, so let us use this quote. Okay, so we have that in here. Okay, so next we'll choose a font style. We have the flower script, the mix play font, retro, right? So we have those. So I'll choose the bubble letters. Okay, I think it's nice and fun. And we have outline or strokes that we can choose. So we can do the black or the double line or the glow or the white outline. Okay, so let us just leave the white outline for now. And you can also choose your own color palette right here if you like. Okay, but I will just stick with this one. And the background has white, soft pastel or cream, but we really will not be using any background, so it doesn't matter. White is fine. I would like to put some hearts. I can put some stars, and I can put some swirls. Okay, I will also add soft illustrations like flowers and so. And now I will click on generate sticker prompt. Okay, so now from here I will copy the prompt and we'll head on over to Canva. Okay, so now that we're in Canva, I will search for magic media on the side here. Now I will paste in my prompt right here, and I will just click on generate image. So I'll wait for that to get started. Okay, look at that. Look at how beautiful this is looking. And we have several options. I like to bring all the options out so that I can get to use them. So these are the options I really like right here. Okay, I like all of these. Okay, so let me just start with a clean slate right now. I can put this away and I will go into elements and look for t-shirt. Okay, so we have these t-shirts right here. We can use these as our mock-ups, okay? And I think these are so beautiful. All right, so let us use this one, this design here. Okay, and let us choose another style. I like this one. Okay, so we will work with these, and now we will go into our designs here. I know I already bring it down, but let's just put it here. Okay, so basically I just drag the design from Magic Media over to the t-shirts. Sorry, my computer is giving me a bit of a problem, some problems. Something is wrong. Okay, so let us try this style over here. She's wearing pink, so let us match her pants. Okay, so let's go back to this one. Right. What do you think? This is so beautiful. Look at that. All right. So instantly you have your t-shirt design right here, just like that. Okay, look at this one. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful, right? And you can even do another one. Let us go back to elements, and we have like this t-shirt here. Let me just bring this up closer so we all can see, and it's easier to go back to Magic Design and just grab the style. So which one we haven't used as yet? So yeah, didn't use this, so we'll bring this over. So this is lovely. Look at that. This is lovely and easy. So this is an easy way to create your print on demand items, okay? You can even use that on mugs as well. All right, so let us look at mockups for mugs. Okay, so for mugs, let us use this one. Okay, let me expand this and let us get our design. We will be using the same design because it's very easy to use my sticker prompt generator. It's very, so let us use this one here. Okay, look at that. Oh, this is so lovely. Okay, so what I want to show you guys, let us go to another page and let us bring over a design here. All right, so as you can see, it has some stuff in the bottom. Yeah, that wasn't supposed to come out. Okay, so what we will do is let us do the background remover. Right, and then we will use magic eraser to erase the little stuff that's in the bottom here. Okay, so you can do all of that cleaning up before you use the design, and then you click on erase. Don't worry, things will work out. Okay, so let us change the background of our um, canvas to this color. Okay, so the background, let's do background mover again. Right, so the background is gone, as you can see, and the little nonsense stuff we had at the bottom, so that's gone too. Okay, so what I want to show you from here, let's go back to elements, and you may want to add elements to this. So let us add a teddy bear. So not mockups, graphics, right? So you'll add something that will work along with this. Okay, just for example, let us use this one, right? Just as an example, and put it on this side, okay? And you can move it to the back. So click on position and click on backward, okay? So we have a teddy bear here, and you can add any other elements you want. So let us just to balance the design, let's add a bird. Okay, so we'll add this birdie, this little cute birdie. Okay, and let us add the bird at the top over here. Oh, this is lovely. I love to see this. Okay, I really don't like to see how the bear is looking, so we can probably put the bear up here, come at the bottom. Okay, we'll just leave it as is, okay? We will have to group everything together, right? So I think the best way to do this is just my opinion. You highlight everything and see the three dots at the top here. Click on that and you create component. So this box will come up here. You can change the name and then click on create. So this now is a component that you can use when you are creating your print on demand or anything else like that. Okay, so let us test this out. You can click your component over here and bring it in. Okay, so it's not working as it should, right? So one thing about the component now, it cannot be used in these mockups. Okay, so what we'll have to do is actually get a t-shirt, right? So we have to go into elements and get a t-shirt, or a mug, an actual mug. Right, so we can use this mug photo right here and we can place that design on it. Okay, so we can go back to components and click it over and just adjust the design like this. Right, so this is how another way in which you can create your print on demand designs, right? By using the sticker prompt generator. Okay, so we have this style. But honestly, I really don't know why it is not working in these design sets, honestly. Okay, guys, so this is it. And if you want to know how you can easily make over $1,000 with stickers on Etsy, please feel free to watch this next video. Okay, bye.